Are you, Ishwar, are you there online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So have you, because most of the time you were asking about Pondicherry University, I remember. So not Pondicherry University, MSc Bioinformatics, right? So this is the admission portal of the Pondicherry University. It is open now. So when I'm checking here, I think MSc Bioinformatics is there. Have you checked?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes, ma'am. It's through GADBees.
it is through GADB.
Yes, ma'am.
MSc
Then
Bioinformatics, not MSc Biotechnology and MTech Computational Biology are through GADB. Always
once again, I'll go through.
in whichever central university you see MSc Biotechnology, all will be through GADB score. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So along with MTechs anyway. So I think MSc Bioinformatics also is there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Regular PG courses.
Computation biology.
Pardon? Computational biology, bioinformatics means the same.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, this is a portal of that. So let me check. Both means the same. MSc Computational Biology is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is your GADB. So let me go to that thing. And when is the last date? Last date you have
It
till
is August, ma'am.
14/8, but don't wait till last date because just let me go to the courses once. These are all PG and 5-year PhD integrated program. This is based on entrance exam. This is based on GADB score. Here you need not have to apply. Only GADB, if you apply for GADB and get good score,
And take.
your chances of getting a admission with fellowship is guaranteed in one of the central universities. If you get good score, definitely you will get in good institute, that is good rank the institute, that is the only thing, right? So this is the
Yes, ma'am.
page that is taking you, but where it is popping, I'm checking. Have you looked into the courses here? It is not popping here. PG 5-year
Ma'am, may go try just now.
PG 5-year integrated courses, registered candidate. Yeah, you have to register. So when you start
Yes, ma'am.
registering, everything will pop up. But anyway, prospectus would have been there, right? Just let me check. This is based on admission notification. Yeah, here is the admission notification. Are you online? Is the
Yes, ma'am.
visible to you? Admission notification? I don't
Ma'am,
think.
ఇక్కడ
Let me,
అడ్మిషన్ నోటిఫికేషన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెషన్ లో పీజింగ్ బేస్ లో
just a second.
దాంట్లో రెగ్యులర్
Yeah,
కోర్సెస్
I have shared my entire screen. I think now we are able to see.
టాప్ లెఫ్ట్ పీజీ
It is,
అడ్మిషన్
you are able to
నోటిఫికేషన్.
see now. You are able to see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
admission notification of Pondicherry. This is a very good university, you know, because I studied in JIPMER, right? It was affiliated to Pondicherry University that time. Very good university, very good central university. You have beautiful ambience there, not an issue. So if you go into the MSc courses here, you have MSc Biochemistry, Molecular Biology. See, you have MSc Bioinformatics. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
MSc Bioinformatics. I also got that because I have written the entrance exam that time. So I also got this, not MSc. I think I wanted to do MTech later. Anyway, I did not join. So you have MSc Biotechnology, but MSc Biotechnology will be through GATB, right? Then
Yes,
rest
ma'am.
all
Yes, ma'am.
other, you have, see, you have food science and technology, different courses you have. You have food science and nutrition. See, you have marine biology, very good courses. This marine biology course you have in Port Blair. Then you have microbiology. So many courses, but for all the courses, they will see only botany, zoology, chemistry. All anyway, your advantages, you did biotechnology, so you are well versed with your genetics. They will ask genetics, biochemistry, Molbio questions. So for your apply for your biochemist, you can apply here for biochemistry and molecular biology also. Then you can.
Ma'am, it's a combination study, ma'am. అంటే ఒకటే సబ్జెక్ట్ లో బయోకెమిస్ట్రీ, మాలిక్యులర్ బయాలజీ అండ్
I know.
బయోఇన్ఫర్మేటిక్స్.
I know. Course is like that. It is one course. It is telling it is one course. Like this, you also have one course in HCU also, I think. Some microbiology, molecular microbiology, something is there. Okay, not an issue.
Yes,
So here you apply for bioinformatics and bioinformatics you apply. If anybody is interested, you can apply for this also. So how much is the cost? Less only, na?
600 and 300.
Okay. So here what you have to mind is, I wrote exams in 2000. When did I wrote? 2004. During that time itself, the examination fees was so high, like 750 per application. Per general category. So you remember it was very high that time. But still,
Yes,
we cannot take risk with the small hundreds rupees, because you have to apply as many as exams as possible, so that your chances will be high, because you will be making the preparation, but if you stick on to only one exam, you find it very tough. That's the thing. And moreover, if you join Central University, somehow you will get the path into your future, because there you have to catch hold of professors, you have to do good project, and many sponsored projects you will get, and so many. It is all up to you how much you explore, because in our college kind of situation, like not much to explore, but in Central University where you have because especially Pondicherry University, they have like good infrastructure for bioinformatics. So this will be a very good course, and maybe you can check for the course fees in later sections somewhere. Okay, but definitely course fees will not be as high as like private universities, and you can really trust, because all the infrastructure and all the inputs what you get will be relatively more qualitative, right? So this people who all are interested can apply, because now you have seen, because of bioinformatics only we are able to get the vaccine within 1 year, right? So it is all the credit goes to bioinformatics there. Definitely there is a future for this course. Okay, so this is regarding your Pondicherry University, and yeah, this is your prospectus. I think they would have given you all course fees also in this. Very good, because I studied there. I went for all some university competitions also. I was the winner in many competitions there, so I know the place very well. Very good place. So computer science, so here they are giving all facilities and all that. Course you will get, I think somewhere you just check for the course fees, right? I think integrated PhD is also there, because whoever is offering integrated courses, just you please apply, because your career will be fast if you apply for integrated courses. Check for some integrated courses. Integrated, because in the it is showing integrated PG programs and PhDs, it is showing, because integrated PhDs are in high demand actually, because within no time you will think they are not offering, looks like, but it was shown in the portal, I remember, because here see PG or 5-year okay 5-year integrated PG is nothing but your BSc and MSc. Okay, so they are not offering integrated PhD, so not an issue. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So all exam will be same like your HCU exams only. Let me check if I have any model question paper of this Pondicherry University. I will tell you. So now let's go to our own university, that is the University of Hyderabad. So in University of Hyderabad, under PG courses, you have PG biochemistry. All you have like all Nobel laureates, friends, Nobel laureate students you have in that department. Very great department, I can tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
and you have planned by
Yes, ma'am.
all are like very, very good departments. I did in animal biotechnology, but I also got biochemistry. When I wrote both, I got, and somehow it has fascinated me. I have chosen animal biotechnology. So plant biotechnology, you know, Muthu sir, how dynamic he is. He's there. Many like that people are there. Then you have biotechnology is through GADB. You will not be getting, you will not, you cannot apply directly. This is through GADB. Everywhere, all central universities, biotechnology is through GADB. So if you concentrate well, but meanwhile, what you should do, you should also keep right the, because you may get, I got through GADB, I got through which university, some MS Baroda University, Gujarat. So I was not interested. But meanwhile, I had so many opportunities. So I joined, I took animal biotechnology here. So it happens like that. Now you may go, but that time I was not interested to go so far. But already I was there in Pondicherry for 3 years, so I didn't want to go to some other place. So I wanted to choose Hyderabad. So luckily I got both and I had to choose where to join. So you should be in that situation. So anyway, you will be preparing, right? So I want you people to apply for biochemistry, and it is upon your interest whether you are interested in plant or animal. One of them, any one of these two, you apply. If somebody are interested in animals, because I did animal biotechnology department, excellent department. So plant biotechnology is also very good because my friends were there many times. And I tell you, in higher education and your research, if you want to take when compared to animal biotechnology, research orientation, all that is like more easy in plant. But anyway, demand is there for animal biotechnology. So it is up to you what you choose. I suggest all of you please apply for biochemistry for sure. And you also apply for either plant or animal. If you want to apply both, then that is up to you. This is my sincere request because I told you uh, everything, all the preparation will be same. And I shared you so many question papers in the uh, drive. And here also you have direct links to old question papers from this.
Marker, marker.
Yeah, somebody wants to talk. Some crosstalk is going on. Who is that?
No, no, the mic was on. Parents మాట్లాడినారు.
Okay, okay, okay. So that is my suggestion. So it is up to you what you want to take up. Okay, so my suggestion is go for biochemistry as well as one of these two, depending upon your interest again. Okay, if you do GAT-B, if you do very well in GAT-B, because the highest ranking, no, after JNU goes to first rank, and next you have HCU only. So sometimes it all depends. Every year it changes. So if you get very good score only, you will get in HCU biotechnology. So, but you should not lose the chances, right? So you apply for this, and under PhD programs, you also have integrated PhD. Where was that? Yeah, here you have integrated PhD in biotechnology, right? So maybe if you because they may take into consideration of your GAT-B also. See, you have some integrated PhD course in biotechnology, right? They have put some coursework and all that. So definitely the quality of the thing will be very high. So you, those who are really interested, because you know this career minimum, you should have the determination. You should minimum do a PhD, then you will understand the depth of the life sciences. Then you will know like how you have to choose your career, and if you do it in a good place, automatically the place will push you front. It happens like that. Okay, so I suggest those who are really interested, and you check for your eligibility, because you should have minimum of 55% in your thing and all that. You please check with your things and you apply for this integrated PhD also, because this within no time your PhD also will be done. Imagine, because you will be doing your PG and you might be thinking of something, and by that time you will be done with your PhD. You know, your chances of getting a very good job in industry or in academia will be high. That is the aim. because when I tried, only in JNCSR there was integrated PhD that I could not crack. So now that is not that you many ICER applications I have sent you. I don't know how many people have applied, but you check with this. Okay. So here also the application fee is like a little 600 something, no? But please, this only because this is one time investment you're going to make in life. Because you please don't think that, see, if you do very well in GAT-B, see, monthly you will get a good fellowship, and especially if you get in central universities, you have so many fellowships offered by the institutes. I did not, because I did not join MSc Biotechnology in Gujarat, I did not get GAT-B. Through GAT-B I did not get fellowship, but it all depends on the department. So my department head, she was so dynamic, and she got a fellowship from Shanta Biotechs. So I got Shanta Biotech Merit Fellowship. So somehow they try to get some fellowships for the students. So it is all merit for meritorious students only we got, not all. So that is an opportunity you to join in a central university. Definitely the course fees, you please check with that. Relatively they will be very less when compared to like private places, definitely. Okay, what you pay will be like minimal, bare minimal. What you get will be the most. So this is from my side. So these two are in active application now. All of you, please finish. Please finish. If you have any doubts, you please ask me. You please ask me at any step. I will help you. But I want like you apply like more than like I'm telling you, in 2004 itself, so many I wrote MSc biochemistry in JIPMER itself. So then I wrote Pondicherry University. I did not write specially. Later I wrote. Then in HU I wrote two. I wrote IEC Bangalore. I wrote JNCS. Like all top, I wrote like 5 to 6. I got 5. So you should be that much that position. What I would like to say, because that time you should be able to decide based on the course fees, structure, distance, and all that. You can decide and you can choose whatever you like. Okay, that you should be in that situation. Your preparation also should be in, because these exams keep coming, keep going. So but these entrance exams, they will come only once and you have to crack. So it is up to you how much time you are spending, and because every like now you have no other choice. You have to just read it, because I did the same in my undergraduation. I was studying some other undergraduation, not like I was not so blessed like you studying BSc biotechnology, having so much idea about biotechnology. Nil. I was full all clinical subjects. I was studying in JIPMER medical lab technology. Imagine, only clinical I know. I don't know anything all biotechnology. I studied everything on my own. Study many hours, like 15, 20, 15, 18 hours I studied. Like that much peak level I studied, and somehow I could get into all, because I was so tensed, because my syllabus is something and I am doing something. I want to go somewhere. So this much pressure made me to read a lot. So I don't know how much pressure you people are finding, but you should, little pressure you should have by now, because then that only will push you. Without pressure you will not be able to, you will not be pushed forward. I tell you, you should get something, because uh, in this pandemic kind of situation, you should be so smart. You should be studying little extra than others, then only you have higher chances of cracking the exams, right? And let's go to GAT-B, right? So this I have shared with you already. This is conducted by the Regional Center for Biotechnology. The NTA is conducting it. National Testing Agency is conducting it. Right. So what are the participating institutions in GAT-B? So I think you're on screen. Are you on screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So many, see, all central universities, many central universities under GAT-B, right? For this is applicable for both MTech as well as MSc, right? So many institutes, so many, if you can check. So I got into MS Baroda, somewhere it will be. Okay, so you have several all central universities, right? So even in Usmania University Institute of Genetics, there is a place there you have MSc Molecular and Human Genetics. Right? For that, what is eligible? So sideways you have eligibility criteria also. MSc, BSc Biotechnology, all this with 55% for OBC, 50% for SC, ST, and all this. So you should check all this criteria. See, you have Bioinformatics Center. See, MSc Bioinformatics. Yeah, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, very good university. Through GATB, you can get, because after you get, maybe I don't know, you just somebody start application. I think after you get the score only, you have to put the options, I think. So somebody start checking and let me know. Because according to your interest, according to good universities, you have to put the courses. You have to select the courses. And see, this is a very good university and it is offering and it is coming under GAT-B. So you can always check this. There are 30 seats, right? So these are all participating institutions and so many courses. Goa University is offering MSc Marine Biotechnology. So 30. So you have medical biotechnology here. So you have medical biotech. Yeah, this is one of the like very good course. I tell you, very good institute also like JIPMER. PGMER is also very good institute. It is offering. Sorry, where did it go? PGMER Chandigarh. It has opened here. Okay. Where did it go? Just a second. So PGMER is also a very good institute. Very good institute, and see you have so many opportunities. So it is only put your full strength, because so many model question papers I have sent you. So accordingly, you just concentrate these 1 to 2 months also, because you studied all the course syllabus you have studied. So see, in Pondicherry University, MSc Biotechnology is there. So in University of Mysore, all MSc Biotechnology in all the universities, University of Hyderabad, Telangana. So here also that is the thing, and she is the course coordinator. So like that in all central universities, you can get through GAT-B. I say most of the North Indian people, they crack these exams. I don't know what is their strategy, but there is no strategy. I tell you, it is only your hard work. It is only your hard work, because I tell you very frankly, during my preparation, I don't have this much access to model question paper. Also, I have not seen any model question paper. It is purely my preparation. I was so strong in biochemistry that helped me a lot. Then some molecule, some microbiology and all genetics, I was like very low because I did not study it as a course. So all only my molecular biology, biochemistry has pushed me. So you are actually blessed. You studied all the course contents. What is the syllabus for the exam? See. So these are all several institutions. See here you have total 1217 seats in 63 DBT supported postgraduate programs, biotechnology and allied areas. Right. So you have even in IITs also. So again, you should have done JAM. So for you it was not eligible that time, JAM exam. So if people are aspiring for the next year, now JAM application is open. You can also check with that. Even you have IIT Roorkee. So in IIT Roorkee, see you have MSc Biotechnology. This is through GAT-B. You have 30. See, they are not insisting on JAM exam. So it is through your GAT-B only. So if you get very good score, if you choose, you have more chances of getting into IIT for MSc Biotechnology. So your opportunities are like very high. It is only your preparation that is going to. This Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Biotechnology is also very good institute in Kerala. So there are so many participating institutions, and it is up to you. So all of you, please, somehow you plead your parents for some money, because actually by now you should have done some tuitions and done something you should have earned for yourself. I don't know. If not, you please ask for some money. only because you give them assurance, I will try to get free seat with fellowship in good institute, so somehow please help us. You ask your parents, because you, this chance you will not get it again, right? So you apply, and let us see. So I wish most of you should apply, because there are so many participating institutions, and it is all your luck, your preparation. Definitely your preparation, definitely some luck also will be there sometimes. So hope many of you should get through GAT-B, so that you will not be burdened to your parents. That should be the idea, right? So you can check for the syllabus here. It is like, if you check for the syllabus, almost whatever you have studied, nothing new. So part A will be some basic physics also will be there, because I'm sharing you model question papers. You just check that. Okay. So in part B, you have all your syllabus. So in part B, multiple choice levels, basic biology, life sciences, biotechnology. See, very simple. Will be very simple. So all you see what is the syllabus, you have molecular structure of the gene and all that, principles of um, biophysical techniques, you have immunology, then you have bioinformatics, then you have your restriction enzymes and all that, you have animal biotechnology. See, you have then fermentation technology, bioprocess, tissue culture applications. Finished. So this is almost like what you studied only. So you just also prepare well, very well for the exam. So that will be very, very helpful. Okay. So these three are live now. So you please apply, and I will also get back to you with that. In JIPMER, you have MSc Medical Biochemistry. That is a 3 years course. The fee structures are very, very low. I tell you, like it will be some 5,000 like that. Very low fees. But if you do that, you can join as an assistant professor in biochemistry in any medical college also. So such a good courses you have, right? So it is just you have to spend your time, and you can reach beautiful destinations, not an issue. So I'm because I'm confident, because you are my first batch. So let me see how my encouragement will take you to. Okay, any doubt? These three are live now. All of you should apply. GAT-B is like, it will fetch you many things. Okay, so anything
Okay, ma'am.
else you want to ask? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Anybody?
No, ma'am.
So I will post some short answer questions, essay type questions to prepare for both. What are the papers you have? You have animal biotechnology and industrial biotechnology, right? So you do some in-depth. I will post some very, very important questions, so that in-depth preparation also will be useful for your entrance exams also. So how did you do your exams? Very easy papers only. Very easy papers. Hope you would have done well. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy papers only, na? Direct questions.
Yes,
JIPMER
ma'am.
entrance exams. PG MSc Medical Biochemistry is one very good exam. I checked some time back. Prospectus download, apply online. Yeah, here there is a MSc. Just let me check. I think this is done for 2021. Okay, results also is done. This is done already. Okay, not an issue. So you concentrate on these things. Okay. So whenever OU also will come sometime very late. So, but not an issue. Better, I want all of you to get into central universities, so that you will future will be like, it will go in a fast and that is my idea. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
anything else? Tell me.
No,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
Nothing.
So only few people are interested. Others are not interested even in these guidance classes also. So it's really not very encouraging for a teacher. But anyway, you will remember sometimes, right? Because I have my students abroad doing very good in their life, and I have some students in CDFD. Many places I have. So I want you people also to reach something like that, very good places where you need not have to look back. So that That should be the ultimate aim every time. Because after BSc you have so many opportunities. I have been telling you from the beginning. From the beginning, you should be very strong in your subject. So only one basic thing I can tell you is like minimum should have revised all your syllabus like 3 to 4 times. Actually, you should study 10 times, but I don't know how much time you are spending. 2 to 3 times you should revise all your basics from cell biology to your industrial biotechnology. So all papers you should revise. Then accordingly you can solve the questions. So today morning I shared you that link, right, for GATB model question papers. Have you checked that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
GATB model
Yes, ma'am.
papers. I think that link is there in the, I will share that portal again for you. Where it was previously, this exam was called as JNU SEEB exam, JNU Combined Entrance Exam, something. So now it is called as GATB, right? So here you have links to several previous year's model question papers. Just one, just you take 2020 and you check your status and where you need to improve, which you find easy. So accordingly, you have to prepare. Okay. Anything else?
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else? So how many people are going to apply? So whenever you apply, if you get any doubts, you please ask me, because you should not do, you are not able to do on your own. You just check, you come to me, I will help you. I will be in the college, right? In every alternate days, I will be in the college, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And if you come there also, I can help you out in filling the application form, not an issue. Okay,
Okay,
or
ma'am.
you help among yourself, not an issue.
Sure.
Okay. Then what else? I will post important questions for your few
6.
short answers, long answers. So at least you make a notes of that. So accordingly, you will be doing well in your final exams also. You should keep in mind, all of you should pass. Passing is must. Then
Okay,
higher
ma'am.
education is up to you what you want. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you let me know the progress of your application. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.